Get ready to plank. We'll show you how to properly plank for a full body workout in only 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week. Let's get started.
Today we will be learning all about planks. Let's begin. Come over into a 4-point stance, stacking the joints and finding a neutral spine. Now walk the hands slightly in front of the shoulders, fingertips spread wide, and let's just begin little weight shifts here. Think about pressing the fingertips into your mat and lifting the knuckles. Just try and reduce tension on the wrists here. Just take a few shifts here. Good, now shift forward. Take those knees back, bring them together. Make sure that the wrists are underneath the shoulders, collarbones are wide, and find a long neutral line here. Now a quick word about your form in planks. This is a challenging exercise, and tendencies are to forget to engage the core, dumping you into the low back, which is not going to feel good, or to forget about pressing out of the floor and sinking into the shoulders and dropping the head forward. We want to think about a nice long line from the top of the head down through those knees. Just holding this modified plank here. Let's hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and press back for a moment. Let's give those shoulders a quick break and bring it back in. Find that plank position. The elbow creases should be facing in towards each other and those collarbones stay nice and wide. The abdominals stay engaged here. Almost think about taking a little internal tuck of that pubic bone, just enough to close those obliques and keep the abdominals engaged. Now let's try to extend one leg, tuck the toes, reach back through the heel, and then take the other leg up to hold a plank here. If this is not working for you, just stay on your knees. And now bend the knee in, and press back for a moment. Take a quick moment to take a break. Shift it back forward. Find your abdominal engagement, collarbones stay nice and wide. Let's try that again. Tuck the toes, extend through the heel, lengthen the leg. Tuck the toes, extend through the heel, lift and lengthen. Nice long line here now from top of the head out through those heels. Collarbones wide and that back is not rounded here. We keep it nice and flat and lower. Bend knee, bend the other knee, and press it back. Good, go ahead and walk those hands up for just a moment, roll out the wrists. If you feel like you get a lot of tension in your wrists, or maybe you just have issues in general with the wrists, you can come forward and take your plank here. Elbows underneath the shoulders, and you can take it to a blade hand or a palm flat, collarbones wide, abdominals engaged. You can work that here every bit as effectively if you need to modify to stay off of those wrists. So walk yourself forward to come back into that plank position. Now we're gonna try taking this to a side plank. First, extend one leg, reach through the heel. Keep the abdominals engaged. Watch the head here. Press back and hold. Now I'm gonna rotate, keep pressing as I bend one knee and then reach up. I'm just holding here, pressing out of the floor for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it back down. Find your plank. Check in with your form here. Collarbones wide, abdominals engaged. Let's take that side plank to the other way. Tuck the toes, lengthen the leg, tuck the toes, lengthen the leg. Now rotate, lower the knee and reach towards the ceiling. Think about the shoulder being over the wrist here, that supporting arm, reaching long through those fingertips up towards the ceiling for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it back in. Check your form and press back for just a moment here. You can walk those hands back, come onto those knees, roll out the wrists. Let's take this to one more challenge to finish. Work your level. If you need to stay on those knees, stay on your knees. Walk those hands out, bring shoulders under those, shoulders over the wrists, tuck the toes. Tuck the toes. And see if you can hold your plank here. Collarbones wide for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bend the knees and press back. Take this all the way down to a child's pose. Let the chest fall through the shoulders here. Great job. That was a challenging workout. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel and click the bell for notifications for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas or combine them all for a full body workout.